but there's another resolution in 2008, which is Resolution 1820 on sexual violence. And that resolution, I think, is imperative in the way in which it operates for women who have undergone sexual violence in conflict states. And why is it important? Because first of all, it recognizes sexual violence as a war crime, and to the extent of it constituting genocide. And that's a really important point, especially from us coming from a law point of view, because it provides a ground for these women to raise these issues in a forum that will then provide some form of resolution. Now, what's also important about Resolution 1820, not only that it has categorized or recognized sexual violence to be war crime, genocide, etc., it also goes on to sort of state that the resolution process should not be to the extent of reconciliation. Because what we see happening in many of these post-conflict states, women who do come forward to talk about their the violence that's being put upon them, it then goes through a Truth and Reconciliation Commission. And what's the impact of a Truth and Reconciliation Commission? They're meant to shake hands and forget about that this has happened and forgive them for all those crimes. Resolution 1820, and correct me if I'm wrong, Jill, sort of says that it should not go to the extent of reconciliation, but rather provide an opportunity for the women to address these issues in a way that would provide some form of true, not an impunity, so to speak, but really a punitive element to those crimes that have been committed by those during the time of conflict.